Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, security system, trip computer, CD player, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.